on anyone lucky enough to visit. So, what do you think? Would you dare to take on the Karakoram Death Road? Or maybe you've already been there and lived to tell the tale. Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures from around the world. Until next time, stay curious, stay brave, and maybe stay away from the edge of the road. See you on the next adventure. Remember, life's a journey, just try not to make it a death-defying one. Cheers.